Hello, I am Advisor Commerce. Today I am going to discuss about the chapter the trial balance. What is the meaning of trial balance? Before using the account balances to prepare final account, an attempt is made to prove that the total of the accounts with debit balances is in fact equal to the total accounts with credit balances. This proof of the equality of debit and credit balances is called trial balance. A trial balance is a five-column schedule listing in the names and balances of all accounts in the ledger and cash book, listed in order which they appear in the ledger. Last two columns are used for listing the balances of different columns. The debit balances are listed in the left hand column and the credit balances in the right hand column. The total two columns should agree. The different columns of the trial balance are number one serial number, number two heads of account, number three ledger folio, number four debit balance, and number five is the credit balance. Okay. Key points to be remembered for trial balance. The heading should show the date on which the trial balance is prepared. The debit balances are listed in the left hand column and the credit balances are in the right hand column. A trial balance essentially proves the mathematical accuracy of the books of accounts. The debit and the credit columns of the trial balance should agree if all transactions are correctly recorded in the ledger accounts and if the balances of the accounts have also been struck correctly. Preparation of the trial balance. But the purpose of preparing the trial balance from given the list of ledger balances, the following rules should be followed. Actually, preparation of trial balance, the following rules should be followed. Number one, the balances of all accounts relating to assets, expenses, losses, drawings, debtors should be placed in the debit side. Assets means furniture, building, cash in hand, cash at bank, plant and machinery, goodwill, patent, etc. Expenses, advertisement expenses, wages paid, salaries paid, rent paid, telephone bill, mobile recharge, conveyance, transportation expenses, depreciation is equal to all the examples of expenses. Losses, loss of sale of any asset. Drawings, if any entrepreneur withdraw money from his business, that is called to drawings. Debtors, the money due from a customer, that is called to debtors. And these all are the heads are placed in the debit side of the trial balance. Number two, the balances of all accounts relating to liabilities, income and revenue, gain, creditors should be placed in the credit column of the trial balance. That means liabilities, capital, credit, capital, any loan taken, etc. as the liabilities, any outstanding expenses, prepaid income, all others the liabilities. Income, salary received, commission received, discount received, interest received, bank interest received, etc. the income.